Hey guys, this is me Sonam Prajapati and welcome back to my channel Teach Tutorial Now. So friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto downloading in your WhatsApp account. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, go to your WhatsApp setting, and here you will see the option data and storage usage. Just click on this option, and friends, here you will see the option when using mobile data. Just click on this option, and if the all selected, so just uncheck this box, deselect all the options and press down okay. I have already deselect, so in my mobile not auto downloading process because I have unchecked. So make sure your boxes are unchecked, and after this just click on the ok. So friends, if you are connecting your Wi-Fi and the images will automatically download in your Wi-Fi, check both options and just uncheck all this. And this is for the mobile data and this is for Wi-Fi. So all deselect boxes, photos, images, and auto downloading will be stopped. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on my channel, just click on the subscribe button, press the bell icon button, because you guys are only my hope. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Well, let's meet again with the new video. Till now friends, bye bye.